Have you ever pondered about the universe that lies beyond our naked eyes? It's a vast, unseen cosmos, teeming with life and mysteries. This is the world of the minuscule, the realm of the microscopic. It remained hidden until the invention of a remarkable tool, the microscope. This device, born from human curiosity and ingenuity, revolutionized our understanding of life itself. When Anton van Leeuwenhoek first peered through the lens of a microscope, a whole new world opened up to us. The journey of the microscope is one of continuous evolution and advancement. It all began in the 17th century when Dutch scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek first peered into his simple magnifying glass-like microscope, revealing a world of animalcules invisible to the naked eye. Fast forward to the 20th century and the microscope had transformed dramatically. The invention of the electron microscope marked a major milestone, allowing scientists to peer even deeper into the invisible world, revealing structures within cells that were previously unknown. In the late 20th century, another leap forward was made with the development of the atomic force microscope. This incredible tool can even measure the forces between atoms, taking us into realms far beyond Leeuwenhoek's wildest dreams. Today, advancements in technology allow us to explore the microscopic world in ways that Leeuwenhoek could have only dreamed of. In our modern world, the microscope is more than just a tool. It's a window into the unseen. With leaps in technology, microscopy has evolved, revealing breathtaking details of life's smallest entities. From the diagnosis of diseases to the study of cell biology, from observing the nano-architecture to manipulating atoms, this magnificent instrument has transformed our understanding of the world. As we continue to refine and develop our microscopic tools, who knows what unseen universes we will uncover next?